Now today is the Akibento July month box, since July is the 7th month and the theme for July is Expo. Like in every convention center is actually popular for everybody. For example, the San Diego Comic Con, Anime Expo, and New York Comic Con, but unfortunately they're actually been delayed to next year due to the pandemic that we're actually facing. Sorry. And the anime series that match the theme are Digimon, No Life, No Game, No Game, No Life, and Naruto. So here we go, and let's see what we actually have. First off, we have a water bottle that says Expo here, and we have a golden figurine of Naruto right here, which is golden. Right, left side is Naruto using his Rasengan. Top, bottom, and the back we have Naruto and Sasuke battling. Then we have an exclusive Akibento's Ninja Sight bottle opener. Then we have No Game, No Life pin sets right here. Then we got the button Expo right here. Then the shirt. Love this color. We have everybody enjoying the Expo. Then the card says Expo on it. Then the items plus the selfie contest, which I'm not going to enter. And there you have it. Now I'm absolutely enjoying the Expo, which is the convention month, and the anime series that match the theme is actually amazing as well. However, next month is August, and the theme for the month is play. For example, a anime character who likes to play games, or an anime series based off a popular game franchise who actually became a video game that is known around the world. And to put it simply, the anime base of the game series that match the themes are Street Fighter, Mega Man, and Sonic the Hedgehog, which they actually are based off of the anime series. But I cannot wait to see what Play has to offer when August actually arrive. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and my Facebook page. Until then, this anime guy right here saying signing out. Laters, and be safe.